and thank you for the hospitality shown to us, myself and my wife, during the last visit since we've been here. As your wife, too, give her our regards. It is to the delegation of the British Airways. It is a very great joy to share with you this afternoon the transformation and the strengthening of our relationship for the past 90 years. It's a milestone worthy of celebration. And I still relish the memory of my last visit to Great Britain by His Majesty the King Charles III. I'll forever cherish that memory. It was very pleasant for me. The engagement confirmed the bilateral relations that we've enjoyed over the years. Our forebearer wanted us to continue. That is why we are still here, strengthening and promoting the relationship. We will continue that, I assure you. And hearing from the aviation section, Nigeria is still, going through the reforms and transformation of our aviation industry and every aspect of our economy. It is very necessary that we meet the world standard and able to, encourage people-to-people connection and promote the essence of trade and partnership in this sense. The exchange of people is crucially very, very important. And there is no other country in Commonwealth that can boast of what Nigeria has to Britain. So you are there connecting and promoting that understanding and the welfare and well-being of our two peoples. We also hold high in regard the relationship with His Majesty the King, India. Its long-standing commitment to sustainability and strengthening of the Commonwealth, and particularly relationship between Nigeria and Great Britain, must continue to enhance the cooperation that we align our own national priorities. I assure you we will continue to do that. You've seen that we've come of age since I assumed office, that the outstanding liabilities and other e-cops that are hindrance to our relationship is being resolved by the Central Bank of Nigeria, and we hope to strengthen all of that. We appreciate the economic opportunity and development program that Britain has, extended to Nigeria, and through you, we will continue to promote and enhance that relationship and add value to it, greatly. We celebrate with you your remarkable 90 years of operation in Nigeria, and we hope we will continue to enhance and encourage that relationship for a stronger and more rewarding, partnership. Thank you very much for coming.
We are deeply proud to be in Nigeria at this moment that marks 90 years of British Airways serving this great country. a relationship that began in 1936 and has endured across generations. For British Airways, Nigeria is not simply just a destination. It's one of our long-standing and most valued markets, and a country with which we share strong people-to-people, business, educational and cultural ties. Every day our services support Nigerian entrepreneurs, students, families, exporters, connecting Nigeria to the United Kingdom and onward to the world, helping enable trade, investment and opportunity in both directions. We are encouraged by the positive and constructive aviation relationship between Nigeria and the United Kingdom, and the strong spirit of collaboration and support safe, reliable, growing connectivity for Nigerian customers and businesses. This partnership gives us confidence as we look ahead and reinforces our long-term commitment to Nigeria and our optimism for the future of this important market. In this context, we are very grateful for the continued engagement of the government on both sides, and we really appreciate the role of His Excellency, the British High Commissioner, Dr. Richard Montgomery, in supporting the UK-Nigeria relations. I would also like to take this opportunity to express our sincere thanks and appreciation to the Honourable Minister of Aviation, and to acknowledge the contribution and professionalism and support of the Nigerian aviation authorities, particularly the Nigerian Civil Aviation Authority and the Federal Airports Authority of Nigeria, whose work underpins a safe and credible aviation industry. We are also very grateful to the Central Bank of Nigeria, whose engagement and support were instrumental in resolving foreign exchange matters and in strengthening confidence of international airlines operating in Nigeria. Your Excellency, as we celebrate the 90 years milestone, we do so with humility and a clear intention to remain a trusted, responsible and long-term partner to Nigeria, today and for decades to come. So on behalf of British Airways, thank you once again for your time and a warm welcome that we've received in your country.
Two routes now, based on our insistence. They changed the one from Lagos to London and the Abuja to London. So we have brand new aircrafts on those routes. So I want to thank them so much for that. The other policy of your government, where we said we have to help our ecosystem, where they have to support our local caterers on their outbound flights, they are fully complied for that. So they serve local dishes when they are going back to London. So we just thank them for that, sir. And we welcome them to Nigeria. Thank you, sir.
Your Excellency, I'm particularly delighted to be here and to be celebrating the 90-year air bridge because of, obviously, the very successful visit of Your Excellency to the United Kingdom just a month ago. I know that His Majesty the King, their Majesties the King and Queen, were delighted with the visit. And I hope, Your Excellency, that you and your team feel satisfied about the substance, not just the ceremony, that some very big investment deals were agreed, including the rehabilitation of Lagos ports, the big ITP high-tech project, which we are delighted to support with financing and UK content. And I would just, before I hand over, say we're already following up, sir. We know from all your ministers who say you're always on top of things. I'm delighted to be hosting the first trade mission since the state visit. I have 50 UK businesses and UK export finance in Abuja and now Lagos looking for more investment opportunities. And we have agreed with your National Security Advisor to undertake our security and defence talks in detail in June. And so those are just two examples of us following up. But let me not waste any more time. If you'll allow, sir, let me hand over to the head of delegation, Mr. Lacey, who will say a few words on behalf of British Airways.
Handshake, Your Excellency. Handshake, Your Excellency. Thank you very much, Your Excellency. Thank you, Your Excellency.